Well, I've given the lads £5,000 to make this van look good, drive nice and be actually usable.
So today we're doing something a little bit different. We've decided we're going to do a budget build. So we've got a T6 here that's been sat in our yard for quite a while. We bought it cheap at auction. We're going to use it just to and fro in when we needed another van. So we thought, well, let's make it cool as well. You know, we are THQ, we've got all these products available. Let's show you what you can do for a set budget. So we've got a few items here. We've got wheels, we've got a Kombi step, sound deadening, insulation. We've got additional LED rear light for the brake light, rear light, headlights as well, suspension. You know, there's all sorts of things, even down to a bit of maintenance with the sliding door mechanism that always goes wrong. So we're going to go through these on how much each item is, and we'll get a video together showing you everything going onto the van. So the first item that we're going to fit is SoLow lows. Now we're SoLow, so it's got to be our SoLow lows. These are £1,375. So next up, we've got our wheels. So we are going to go with the Navis Twin 5 with a tyre package. These are £1,310. So I'm going to check out our WhatsApp community where we list discounted parts. Sometimes they're a seconds item with a few marks on them, and I know that there is a set of Twin 5s that we've got a few marks on. I think one got dropped or got curbed, but there is something out there. I've got to put those on it, and they are £950 with tyres. So next up, before we start carpet lining, I'm going to soundproof the van. So I've got the DEAD-EZY. This is $49.95 for 40 sheets. You can get one, you can get two, depends how far you want to go with it. And then after that, we'll grab our EcoFleece, which is here. So obviously this is a bit more for your warmth, your insulation in the cavities. These are $32.95 per roll. Again, how far do you want to go with it? You can put one in, or you can put two in. Also, if you've got long wheelbase, you may want a bit more. But yeah, $32.95 on that. So after we've got our soundproofing done and our insulation done, we've got carpet. So this is a short wheelbase T6. We're doing the low height panels. So I need 10 meters of this. So at 10 meters, it's going to be £109.50. So to pair up with carpet lining, you need spray glue. So we have a 12 pack for £44.95, and we've got our hidden panel fixings. You need 2 packs of these. If you're doing the low height, they are £19.90 for the 2 packs. So we've also got lots of lights to fit. Headlights, rear lights, side repeaters, brake lights. We'll start off with the headlights. We've gone with the V1 blacks. These are $399.95 as a standard setup. If you want to spec up the LED bulbs, then it's another £65. So because our van is a commercial T6, I've gone with the ultra bright side repeaters. The reason behind that is they have a texture black surround to them, so that way we can match all the rest of the plastics on the van. These are £42.95. Rear lights, I've gone with the T6 barn door LED red clears. We have these in different colour options, so have a look at those. These are £265.95.
I'll be a slave, I'll misbehave. There's many things I wanna do. I'll be a slave, I'll misbehave. Tell me what you're gonna do now.
Just like most transporters that have got barn doors, our brake lights are looking a bit worse for wear. So I've got new ones, these are red, these are £41.95.
I wanna do. I'll be a slave, I'll misbehave. Tell me what you're gonna do now.
We're also going to go with an ITG filter. So these are £44.95. Get a few extra horsepower out of your van, and it's also a reusable air filter. Next up, we've bought a prefabricated floor. This was £100, and we've paired it up with a £20 lino cover. Now onto the rear threshold. We've gone with the aftermarket version for £41.95, and this includes the screws and caps. Now we're replacing the commonly worn fuel cap spring. These are £3.95. Now onto the seat covers. For £155.95, we've gone with a GTD style 2+1 in grey. to the wind deflectors. These are £35.95 for the pair. Now we've got the cab carpet. This is the THU branded one for the 2+1. These are £49.95. Finally, speaker upgrade. So we've gone with the Alpine Adventure 106 T6. These are £329.95.
Two other things that we've not mentioned. They've also added one of our deeper aftermarket Kombi steps at £40.95p. So because the other wing mirror is broken, they also bought a used one off eBay for £59.95p. So there we go, it's done. What a transformation. So 181,000 mile T6. We love a commercial look. Lowered it, wheels, headlights, a few little nice little details like rear lights, side repeaters, inside done, carpet lined, insulated, seat covers. Such a cheap thing to just make such a transformation. So now it looks good, drives well, so much more comfortable, usable space in the back, and all that has been done for £4,216.60. So hopefully you found this video interesting and easy to follow. We wanted to show you a bunch of stuff you can do very simply to your transporter at home for a relatively small budget to massively transform the vehicle. There'll be links to every single product that we've put on this van to help you find it in case you decide you want to do any of this to your vehicle. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We plan to do plenty more videos like this, just showing you how you can do various different things to your vehicle and just making it very bespoke and unique to you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. It means a lot. It means YouTube shows it to more people that may be interested. And as always, thanks for watching.